Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, is not just about finding tranquility within ourselves, it's also about how we interact with the world and the people around us. It emphasizes virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Respect for others is woven into the very fabric of Stoic teachings, guiding us on how we should conduct ourselves in our interactions. Number 1. Disregarding personal boundaries. Disregarding personal boundaries is akin to crossing a line that shouldn't be crossed. Stoicism, as a philosophy, places a significant emphasis on understanding and respecting the autonomy and space of others. It's about acknowledging that each person has their own limits, comfort zones, and areas they may not want others to breach. Respecting personal boundaries aligns with Stoic teachings on justice and fairness. Just as we expect others to honor our boundaries, it's equally important to acknowledge and respect theirs. Stoics believe that by respecting these boundaries, we not only demonstrate empathy and understanding, but also foster healthier and more harmonious relationships. Acknowledging boundaries reflects wisdom and self-discipline. It's a testament to our ability to restrain impulses and act with consideration towards others. By respecting these lines, we showcase our commitment to treating others as rational beings deserving of respect and autonomy. Disregarding boundaries can lead to discomfort, breach of trust, and strained relationships. Stoicism urges us to be mindful of our actions and considerate of others' personal space, physical, emotional, and psychological. Understanding and respecting these boundaries is not only an ethical choice but a virtuous one that contributes to the well-being of both individuals and communities. Number 2. Interrupting or talking over others. The art of communication isn't just about speaking, it's about listening with intent. Interrupting or talking over someone reflects a lack of respect for their thoughts and opinions. Stoicism emphasizes the virtue of patience and the importance of allowing others to express themselves fully. Active listening, a core tenet of Stoic communication, involves not just hearing words but understanding the underlying message and intent. By interrupting or dominating conversations, we deny others the chance to share their insights fully. Stoicism teaches us that by actively listening, we not only gain knowledge but also show reverence for the perspectives of others. When we interrupt or talk over someone, we often prioritize our own voice over theirs, disregarding the potential wisdom or value they might offer. Stoics believe in the power of diverse viewpoints and the importance of learning from each other. Thus, allowing others the space to express themselves without interruption aligns with Stoic principles of humility and open-mindedness. Interrupting or talking over someone can hinder the flow of meaningful dialogue. Stoicism encourages thoughtful and considerate conversations where everyone has the opportunity to contribute. By practicing patience and giving others the chance to speak, we create an environment conducive to mutual understanding and growth. Refraining from interrupting or talking over others isn't merely about good manners. It's about embodying Stoic virtues of patience, humility, and respect. It's a demonstration of our willingness to learn from others and to value their perspectives as much as our own. This practice fosters deeper connections and enriches our interactions, aligning with the Stoic pursuit of wisdom and harmony in our relationships. Number 3. Dismissing or belittling someone's feelings or experiences. Empathy and understanding form the cornerstone of ethical conduct. Dismissing or belittling someone's feelings or experiences goes against these fundamental principles. Stoics emphasize the significance of recognizing the emotions and experiences of others, even if they differ from our own. Acknowledging someone's feelings doesn't mean we have to agree with them, but rather it's about validating their experience as valid and real for them. Stoicism teaches us that each individual's perspective and emotional responses are unique and should be treated with respect and compassion. Belittling or dismissing someone's feelings can erode trust and damage relationships. Stoics believe in fostering meaningful connections built on mutual understanding and empathy. By diminishing someone's emotions or experiences, we disregard their humanity and the validity of their perspective. Stoicism encourages us to cultivate virtues like kindness and compassion. Engaging in conversations that acknowledge and validate others' feelings contributes to a more harmonious and empathetic social environment. Respecting and validating the feelings and experiences of others aligns with Stoic ideals of compassion, empathy, and understanding. It's about recognizing the inherent worth of each person's emotions and experiences, fostering a more inclusive and empathetic community based on mutual respect and understanding. Number 4. Engaging in discriminatory or prejudiced behavior. Stoicism, at its core, advocates for treating every individual with fairness, impartiality, and dignity. Engaging in discriminatory or prejudiced behavior directly contradicts these fundamental Stoic principles. Stoics believe in the inherent worth and equality of all human beings, regardless of differences in background, beliefs, or identity. Discrimination or prejudice, whether based on race, gender, religion, or any other factor, goes against the Stoic virtue of justice. Stoicism teaches us to view others through a lens of equality, recognizing the shared humanity in every individual. Discriminatory behavior undermines this perspective and perpetuates inequality and injustice. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of exercising reason and rationality in our interactions. Discriminatory behavior often stems from irrational beliefs or biases. Stoics strive to cultivate a rational and objective approach to understanding others, free from prejudices that cloud judgment. Engaging in discriminatory behavior not only harms those subjected to discrimination, but also reflects poorly on the character of the person exhibiting such behavior. Stoics emphasize the development of moral character and virtue, and discriminatory actions stand in stark contrast to these aspirations. Avoiding discriminatory or prejudiced behavior aligns with Stoic ideals of justice, equality, and rationality. It's about recognizing and appreciating the diversity among individuals while treating everyone with fairness and respect, fostering a more just and harmonious society rooted in the Stoic virtues of fairness and human dignity. Number 5. Not listening actively. The art of listening is considered a virtue. Not listening actively contradicts this fundamental principle. Active listening involves more than just hearing words. It requires genuine attention, empathy, and a willingness to understand the speaker's perspective. Stoicism emphasizes the value of learning from others. By not listening actively, we miss out on valuable insights and fail to engage meaningfully in conversations. Stoics believe that every interaction presents an opportunity to learn and grow, and active listening is the gateway to acquiring new perspectives and knowledge. Active listening also reflects respect and consideration for others. It shows that we value their thoughts and opinions enough to give them our undivided attention. Stoics emphasize the importance of treating others as rational beings worthy of respect, and active listening is a way to honor that belief. Not listening actively can lead to misunderstandings and communication breakdowns. Stoicism values effective communication as a means to foster understanding and harmony. By actively listening, we promote clearer communication, build stronger connections, and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Practicing active listening aligns with Stoic virtues of humility, respect, and the pursuit of wisdom. It's about engaging fully in conversations, valuing others' perspectives, and fostering meaningful connections based on understanding and empathy. Active listening isn't just about hearing, it's about embracing Stoic principles in our interactions with others. Number 6. Constantly being late or consistently canceling plans. Consistently being late or canceling plans without valid reasons is contrary to Stoic principles that uphold the value of time and honor commitments. Stoicism places great emphasis on the virtue of self-discipline and respecting the schedules and expectations of others. Respecting others' time aligns with Stoic notions of justice and fairness. By being punctual and honoring commitments, we demonstrate our respect for the time and effort others invest in our interactions. Stoics believe in the importance of valuing not only our own time, but also the time of those around us. Consistently being late or canceling plans can erode trust and disrupt relationships. Stoicism encourages building trust through reliability and consistency. By being punctual and respecting commitments, we contribute to the establishment of trust and reliability in our interactions. Stoicism emphasizes the cultivation of self-discipline and the control of one's actions. Being consistently late or canceling plans without valid reasons reflects a lack of self-discipline and respect for others. Stoics strive to exercise control over their behavior and honor their commitments as a testament to their moral character. Being punctual and honoring commitments resonates with Stoic ideals of self-discipline, fairness, and building trust in relationships. It's about valuing and respecting the time of others as much as our own, fostering trust, and embodying Stoic virtues in our everyday interactions. Number 7. Invading someone's privacy without consent. The concept of privacy aligns with the fundamental principle of respecting individuals' autonomy and personal space. Invading someone's privacy without their consent violates the Stoic belief in treating others with dignity and respect. Respecting privacy is not merely a matter of etiquette. It reflects the Stoic virtues of justice and fairness. Stoics emphasize the importance of acknowledging and honoring the boundaries set by others, whether they are physical, emotional, or informational. Invading someone's privacy without consent can lead to feelings of discomfort, breach of trust, and a sense of violation. Stoicism values trust and ethical behavior in relationships. Respecting privacy fosters an environment of trust and mutual respect, contributing to healthier and more harmonious interactions. Stoicism promotes the idea of self-control and restraint. Respecting others' privacy requires exercising self-discipline and refraining from actions that intrude upon their personal space or information without permission. Stoics aim to act with integrity and mindfulness in their interactions with others. Respecting someone's privacy without their consent aligns with Stoic ideals of justice, respect, and ethical conduct. It's about acknowledging and honoring the boundaries set by others, fostering trust, and demonstrating reverence for individual autonomy, thus embodying Stoic virtues in our social interactions. Number 8. Speaking rudely or using offensive language. The manner in which we communicate reflects our character and virtue. Speaking rudely or using offensive language contradicts the Stoic principles of kindness, compassion, and self-discipline. Stoics emphasize the importance of using words that uplift and inspire rather than harm or demean. Using offensive language or speaking rudely undermines the mutual respect necessary for healthy relationships. Stoicism values harmonious interactions built on mutual understanding and respect. By using respectful language, we create an environment conducive to meaningful communication and understanding. Stoicism emphasizes the virtue of temperance, advocating for self-control in thoughts, words, and actions. Speaking rudely or using offensive language often arises from a lack of self-control and emotional impulsiveness. Stoics strive to cultivate mindfulness and restraint in their expressions. Engaging in respectful communication isn't just about politeness. It's about embodying Stoic virtues of kindness and empathy. It's about recognizing the impact of our words on others and choosing language that fosters understanding and harmony in our interactions. Speaking respectfully and refraining from offensive language aligns with Stoic ideals of kindness, self-discipline, and fostering harmonious relationships. It's about using language that reflects our commitment to ethical conduct and embodies Stoic virtues in our everyday interactions with others. Number 9. Ignoring or dismissing someone's opinions or ideas without consideration. The practice of considering and respecting diverse viewpoints aligns with the virtue of open-mindedness. Ignoring or dismissing someone's opinions without consideration contradicts the Stoic belief in learning from others and embracing different perspectives. Acknowledging others' opinions doesn't mean we have to agree with them. Stoicism values the exchange of ideas and the opportunity to learn from varied viewpoints. By dismissing opinions without consideration, we may miss valuable insights and hinder our own growth. Stoics emphasize the importance of intellectual humility. Ignoring or dismissing someone's opinions reflects an attitude of arrogance or close-mindedness, traits that are contrary to Stoic virtues. Being receptive to different ideas demonstrates a willingness to learn and grow. Stoicism encourages the practice of rational discourse and constructive dialogue. Dismissing opinions without consideration can hinder meaningful conversations and lead to misunderstandings or conflicts. Stoics aim for discussions that are grounded in reason and respect for differing viewpoints. Considering and respecting someone's opinions aligns with Stoic ideals of open-mindedness, humility, and the pursuit of knowledge. It's about valuing diverse perspectives, engaging in thoughtful discussions, and embodying Stoic virtues in our interactions with others. Number 10. Engaging in acts of dishonesty or betrayal. Honesty and integrity are considered fundamental virtues. Engaging in acts of dishonesty or betrayal contradicts these core Stoic principles. Stoics value truthfulness as an essential aspect of virtuous conduct and the foundation of trust in relationships. Acts of dishonesty or betrayal erode trust and integrity, crucial elements in Stoic ethical teachings. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of fostering trust and reliability in our interactions with others. Being honest and trustworthy contributes to the establishment of strong and meaningful relationships. Stoics believe in the cultivation of moral character and ethical behavior. Engaging in acts of dishonesty goes against the Stoic pursuit of virtuous living. It reflects a lack of integrity and contradicts the Stoic commitment to living in accordance with moral principles. Stoicism emphasizes the notion of living in harmony with nature and the interconnectedness of humanity. Acts of dishonesty or betrayal disrupt this harmony by causing harm and breaching the trust between individuals. Stoics strive for actions that contribute positively to the well-being of the community and promote mutual respect. Refraining from acts of dishonesty or betrayal aligns with Stoic ideals of integrity, trustworthiness, and ethical conduct. It's about upholding the value of honesty, fostering trust in relationships, and embodying Stoic virtues in our interactions with others. Stoicism encourages us to cultivate virtues that promote respect for others. By avoiding these 10 behaviors, we not only honor Stoic principles but also nurture healthier and more fulfilling relationships based on mutual respect, empathy, and understanding.